Are you dreaming of your perfect home but feeling overwhelmed by time, budget, and quality concerns? Unsure how to choose the right contractor to bring your dream to life? Don't worry. Thikedaar.com is here to make it all possible. We are not just a construction company. We are your partners in creating cost-effective homes with unmatched quality. Whether it's residential, commercial, interiors, or maintenance work, we have got all your construction needs covered. At Thikedaar.com, we believe in delivering homes that are not only affordable and durable but crafted with top tier workmanship. Our goal is simple: to make your construction journey smooth, stress free, and within budget. With us, you get certified architect, civil engineers, along with 24/7 real time tracking, guaranteed price protection, 440 plus quality checks, and on time delivery every time. We have built more than 5 lakh square feet across 5 plus states in India. We are transparent about everything, whether it's design, cost, materials, and timelines. And also, we make sure your home is Vastu compliant too. So sit back, relax, and watch your vision come to life with Thikedaar.com. Your dream home is just a call away. Reach out to us today at 7859043737 or visit Thikedaar.com now.